Hi, this is Francis Sideco with TIRIAS Research. I'm here with Amir from Marvell. He heads up their auto division, and he's going to be showing us what they're showing here at CES 2024.
Okay, thanks, Francis. Thank you for coming over.
Yeah.
So what we're showing here is the latest line of products for Automotive Ethernet that are going to serve the new architecture of car backbone, okay, which is zonal based. Okay, so we start here with our latest zonal switch. Okay, this is the Q6223 that we announced a few months back. This is the 90 gigabit per second switch. Okay, that is probably the highest speed right now in the market. It has 12 ports, 8 of them are 10 gigabit per second. Including all our latest functions that we're adding in those switches, like TCAM that is using for security, blacklisting, whitelisting, HSM for key generation. We have it's controlled by two ARM cores, okay, that are step lock, that are using in order to make sure that we have enough redundancy and functional safety requirements. And what we have around it, okay, right now what we drive into it is two cameras, okay, that you can see here. These are cameras that running over Ethernet, running on 10 gigabit link T1 using a coax cable. And we're using the same coax also to drive the power from the switch into the camera. Okay, so you can see it's only one connector to the camera in the back that is used both for data and power. Okay, and this running uncompressed video from the camera that are going to our central switch. So we have two of them, and then on the other side we are driving them into a graphical card that translates the information that can be shown on the two screens here. This is the first introduction of a camera, Ethernet camera that's running over coax. Okay, until now we showed cameras that running on STP cable. And the intention is to show that we can serve both market, coax and STP, for the camera and also other sensors like radar and LiDAR. I believe that with this demo we are showing the future trend of Ethernet end-to-end inside the car. Okay, when everything is running over Ethernet, including the sensors, including the cameras, including of course everything that's already today like the telematics, and that's really the future and what we are driving in automotive.
Yeah, I mean it's basically looking like a data center on wheels, right? And you guys are experts at moving data around in the data center. So I mean, when do you think? I mean, with the proliferation of sensors in the vehicles, and especially as we go into zonal architecture, Ethernet is definitely making its way in. When do you think, something like this with this much capability is going to be required and maybe hit the roads?
So zonal architecture is already in the process to get into cars, I would say starting by 25, 26. I mean, there are already cars today with zonal architecture, but the mass volume of zonal architecture you will start say by 25, 26, being adopted by big OEMs. And then camera over Ethernet, we believe you will see this in the market in volume by 27, 28, 29. Okay, and that's including a backbone that also going to be upgraded from 1 gig and 2.5 gig today to 10 gig and 25 gig in order to support the aggregation of all the cameras.
Perfect. Thanks, Amir.